We are here, San Francisco, baby. Having some fun, gonna head down to the wharf and make some friends. Oh, bingo. Hey guys, welcome back to Making Friends. I'm in San Francisco, California, beautiful place, and look at this day. And I want to talk today about overcoming social anxiety and a couple of my best tips and tricks for doing that. So the first one is take a friend. Nothing like having a buddy there to lower your anxiety and relax yourself. There's just something calming about having someone who's familiar, and also they can even chime in and talk you up and things like that. My second tip is going to be have answers prepared for questions that you know you're going to be asked. Right? There's the most common questions in the world. What do you do? Where are you from? What do you like to do around here? Where do you work, right? And so you have the ability to script out an answer. It's not weird at all to have a script, and it'll help you feel more familiar and have something prepared so that when that question comes up, which it will, you'll be ready and you'll be practiced. And something to focus on here with your answers is who are you trying to be and who are you trying to attract? If you're having answers that are more like Eeyore and not like Tigger, then you're going to attract people who are like Eeyore and they're going to be depressed or they're going to be slow and just negative. But if you're like Tigger, you're going to attract people who are high energy, excited, and positive. So I suggest cater your answers to the questions to be the things that are really exciting to you or things that you really love. So if someone asks about your job, don't talk about, oh, it's really boring, I work in software. Talk about, wow, I'm in software, I really get to help people connect better with their friends or whatever you might do. So for me, my job is fine, but what I'm most excited about is this YouTube channel. So I'd say something like, I'm in software currently, but I'm really excited about this YouTube channel that I have growing, and I'm really excited to touch more lives with that. And then they can follow up and ask, wow, what's that all about? So cater it to whatever your thing is, right? My third point is have questions prepared that you can ask. And I like to keep a very positive light, a positive twist on them. So when I ask something, I always talk about the positive side or the fun side. So what kind of fun things have you been doing to pass time in quarantine? Or what's some of your favorite restaurants that you've been ordering from? Or what's some of your favorite foods that you've been cooking at home since being at home, right? What are your favorite hikes? I've been looking for a new hiking route, or I've been looking for a hiking buddy and I'm just looking forward to some new hikes, right? Whatever it may be, always go for the positive twist on it. And lastly, I think this one will help you a lot, is do the countdown. So if you are anxious about breaking the ice with someone, count down in your head and do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm telling you, it works so well with not just social situations, but maybe you're doing cliff jumping or you're doing anything that causes any level of anxiety, even getting out of bed, because it triggers your body to move. So really, I think if you try this one, it will work wonders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, how you doing? Hey, my name's James. And that leads me to this week's action item. Implement one of these tips in this week's social interaction, whether it's the countdown or scripting out one of your answers or writing down a couple questions that you can ask. And I'm telling you, your social anxiety will go down. And social anxiety is 100% curable. I'm going to include a link below where I got a lot of information on it as well. It has references to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America as well as the ADA, and so it's a really credible source. And I'm telling you, you guys can get over this. You're going to have so much fun going out there and meeting people. I hope you have an amazing week. Please comment below, like, and subscribe if you haven't already.